Builder Buds are back!
And so is Mario!
That's right, we are going to tackle the infamous Super Mario Galaxy together. We've got a Mario plush, we've got glow-in-the-dark Luigi and Mario, and most importantly, we've got Beckett, the Builder Bud.
And Mario is the Builder Bud.
Let's do it! I got something else to give you.
What is it?
It's something you can eat. Close your eyes and hold out your hands. Look at his face. Ah, you're peeking. Put your hands together. So they're touching.
Huh?
What's that?
A cookie.
That's not just a cookie. That's a big, giant chocolate chip cookie from Yellow Sub in Lawrence, Kansas.
I don't want to eat this.
What? Are you kidding me?
It's not my fare.
Wow. I brought that all the way home for you from Lawrence, Kansas, and you don't even want it. I'm hurt.
I love it, but I don't want to eat it.
Oh, okay. We'll just set it on the counter and you can look at it. Right there.
Please go watch this.
This guy and his TV. Because I'm that dad and I love my son, I'm gonna make him a chocolate chip cookie milkshake. So we've got 3 scoops of vanilla in there. We got half of the cookie. We're gonna throw some heavy whipping cream on top of it. And then we're gonna use some of this Hershey's sugar-free chocolate syrup to finish this bad boy off. And now we blend. There's our finished product. How about the pour?
Pour it in there. Yes, pour it in there.
Think that looks pretty good?
Yeah.
Daddy Tax. Had to try it out. You gotta suck hard. It's pretty thick. What do you think?
Good.
Good. Just doing the father and son thing and having activities in the same space together. I am editing the solo vlog, and this guy is getting attacked by Tyrannosaurus Rexes on a VR roller coaster. Yeah. We made it to noon on Friday. What the heck are you doing? I was just trying to nicely sit behind you or in front of you and talk to these nice people on the show. I think that I probably shouldn't give you the toy that I got you.
What is it?
I don't know that I can give it to you since you're up on my shoulders. I'm hurt. I'm weighed down. I just can't go and get a new toy for you. Oh, now I can. I'm up. Now this is something that you've never had before. I don't know if you like it or not, but I think it's pretty cool.
A Minecraft.
Yep, Minecraft Dungeons character set.
I want to open this up because this is making me super exciting.
Okay, let's go upstairs and open it up.
Yeah, and open it with your knife.
Look at the Mario undies. Oh yeah, that's my boy. Ow, I hit my head really hard. That did not feel good.
Why did you give me this Minecraft set?
Because I love you.
For the pig.
Pull, boy, pull! Pull, boy, pull! Ah! They're heavy. They're metal. They're made out of metal.
Yeah.
Pandemonium!
I want to get this creeper out.
Going for the creeper first.
I can't get him out. How about I'm going to throw the creeper up too.
Nice. Good job.
And we got a pig with a treasure chest.
And focus. There we go. We got a little focus action. Nice.
And this guy.
Enderman.
It's about
We'll get them the rest of them out too.
with the zombie.
No zombie. You're right. That's kind of weird.
But
I think that they would.
But zombie does come in Minecraft.
Yeah. All kinds of villagers. And the key. I like the key. He's pretty cool looking.
But I love the creeper.
Is that one your favorite?
Yeah.
Take another look at him. Yeah. I mean, they're really heavy.
Yeah, and the plastic.
No, they're made out of metal. They're really heavy and hard.
And they're also plastic.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
I thought that maybe you could feed these to your T-Rex because you were kind of talking about that last night.
Yeah. Where's my big
It's in the living room.
T-Rex?
And it's off! Minecraft Dungeons. They're hit. Alright, the Builder Buds are back at it.
Mario!
And one of them is transformed into full-blown Mario. What's up, dude?
Mario! I'm gonna fight you, Bowser!
Oh no! So we're gonna do some more Mario Galaxy. I think we got maybe 8 stars yesterday, I want to say.
Mario!
I don't remember how many, but we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna do Joy-Cons, 2 Joy-Cons instead of the Pro controller because it's hard. Somebody's excited, so we gotta go and do this thing. Bowser! It's time for some live action fighting. So what are we gonna do? How are we gonna do this?
We're gonna throw a people at each other.
Bam!
No.
I'm Bowser. I'm a savage.
Here's the Bowser picture.
Okay. Very nice. What now?
Now, who is
Whoa!
Mario?
Boom!
Bowser.
Ooh.
Mario.
It's me, Mario Pillow. Hiya, buddy. You want to lay my head on you? Oh my God! Nice throw. That was impressive. Bam! Bam! Your hat's on a little funny there, funny boy. Ah! Here we are out here at the pit, and we are gonna try our hand at smoking some pork loin roast. So we've got it seasoned up with our favorite maple seasoning, put it on the smoker at 250 degrees. It should be a really short smoke. Should only take about 2 hours. We're aiming for an internal temperature of 145 degrees. And there's Mario. What's up, Mario? And a yellow cat taking the throne from Duchess that likes to come out here and talk to me while I'm grilling meats. Looks pretty okay now. Hopefully in 2 hours it's gonna look even better. Smoke on, baby.
Okay, we are gonna build this new chomp set, and this is the coolest set we never had. So
Just a second ago, before the camera was rolling, he did this whole intro. He was like, okay, the Builder Buds are back, and they are gonna build. You wanna try that?
Okay, the Builder Buds are back, and we are gonna build this chomp set.
Chomp set. It is, what's the set number on that bad boy? 71381 Chain Chomp Jungle Encounter. This is where it all started. This is where we did our first couple of Lego builds together right here in the kitchen. Yeah. I thought, why the heck not? We'll bring it on back and we'll do a little Lego Super Mario build. Ready, Builder Bud?
Yeah.
Let's go!
And
just like always, he forgets to fist bump me. Fist bump me! We gotta do it! Yeah!
We just need to get one bag first.
Where's the one bag? Where's the one bag?
Right here.
Yay, we found it. Let's go.
No, not those ones. These ones.
He's doing it. In his Mario hat.
Where's the other one?
I think it's right there. Hey, that looks exactly how the instructions look. Good job, mister. Now what are we doing?
Do this.
Oh, look at the instructions. What got added? We got these little hats added on top of the other yellow pieces. Yep, that's the ones.
The little hats.
I don't know what to call them.
I think they're hats.
Okay, we'll go with hats. He's doing a good job.
The girl.
Never say I can't, boy. You can do it. I believe in you. You can actually like do it like that and put that one in there first. You do it. I'm not gonna do it for you. You can do it. There you go. And just bend it down. Bend the other green one.
Got this guy. Now can Mario smash him?
You did it all by yourself,
But
man.
can Mario smash him?
I think that it's going to tell us to add him to our set here in just a second. Yep, Lego Mario is disconnected, so we'll have to wake his butt up again. And we got Penguin Mario right now.
First we do this.
What happened? We had to update our app, and we've had to do an update for Lego Mario, the figure, and it's not been going too well. Because we keep trying to connect to him, and we tried to do an update, and then it just like kicks us back to this menu, so I don't know what's going on. Been on for about an hour and a half. We are at 102 internal. Looking pretty tasty. Alright, make the magic happen, Captain.
Can I do this?
Yeah, jump on him. You gotta scan him.
We need to turn him, because we need to turn him to different.
You added a new set, okay. You wanna click let's go?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Now it's to this.
The heck, it used to show like a really cool animation in your world. Show me the animation! I don't like the new update. They have broken something in here.
Yeah.
It's not as cool as it used to be. Like, it still lists all of our sets that we own.
But we don't have we don't have the 3 of them yet.
I mean, we've got all of those, and they used to show them all in this big area whenever you would add a new one. Becca just completed our build. He did an awesome job. Mario doesn't look too happy about it, but it's pretty sweet.
But he is inside the swamp.
Oh yeah. Do.
But it's such
Nail
a
that guy.
bumper set.
Go along there. Oh, okay, so the little mechanism makes him go up. So can you hit Mario on that little platform there? Let me take your hand off this guy. Because you're supposed to hit Mario on that platform, and that should make him fly back. There you go. Now you can hit him. Get the barcode. He makes the arp sound. What do you think about that set? Any good?
Yeah.
How
But
many?
this fell off.
How many thumbs up does it deserve?
Probably 5.
5 thumbs up. Wow, that's an all-time record. Thanks for building with me, builder bud. Fist bumpies. Fist bumpies. Hey, fist bumpies. He's engrossed. He likes it. Mario, on the other hand, is not having as much fun. All right, it is nearly 7 o'clock now, so this has been going for about 3 hours. I wound up increasing the temperature to 300 about an hour and a half to 2 hours in, and we are at 144 right now. That's close enough for me. Let's get it off the smoker, and we still got to let it rest before we can eat dinner. Ah. It's pretty porky, yummy to me. Look at that oozy, yummy goodness. Nice. We have reached the time where we are going to cut open this lovely little loin roast. There's our big dog. We're just gonna cut it right down the middle to start with. Just kind of see what we're working with inside there. Looks like pretty lean pork roast to me. I'm gonna cut some slices. Maybe, I don't know, half an inch to an inch thick would probably be pretty good. Stack it up, stack it up. So this was $20, and this would feed a lot of people. Money goes a long way with pork loin roast, apparently. That's a thickie. Nice. Looks pretty good. Let's give it a little tasty taste. Hunk off the end here. A bunch of bark on it. A little fat on the side. This white porky color on the inside. Cheers. Doggy. That's good.
The big dinosaurs sound like Godzilla noises.
Nice and juicy. I love that maple seasoning.
Those big dinosaurs sound like they have Godzilla noises.
Mario, you want some pork loin?
No, it looks like they have.
I'm gonna eat some.
These ones have Godzilla noises.
That concludes another week of fantastic adventures with yours truly, Ronnie, and the fabulous, fantastic Mr. Beckett. Mr. Beckett, what was your favorite thing we did this weekend? Not feeling the interview format today?
Dad, we haven't gone to the Godzilla Rampage set.
Godzilla Rampage set. We haven't gone toy hunting in a while, have we?
No.
I cut you back after our little It's Not Always Sunshine and Rainbows, didn't I? I like your guns. Let me see your guns. Big muscles. Nice to see you too this morning, Mr. Non-Compliance. All right, well, even though you're kind of a butthead sometimes, I always love you. You know that, right? Alrighty then. Bye, everybody. Take care.
I did a Venom sound.
Oh, were you Venom? Let me see your Venom reaction again. Oh, you can do it crazier than that.
No, I can't.
I can.
No. The Venom sound goes different.
Show me.
It goes. He sticks his tongue out.
Yeah, he does. Are we going to see that movie when it comes out?
Yeah, and he roars and he sticks his tongue out and he all blue and charged up.
You're not going to be scared of that movie?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Nope.
Okay.
When Venom eats Godzilla, he turns blue.
Can you tell everybody bye and we'll see you next week?
Bye.
See you next week.
Bye.
Let it go. Build a bunch YouTube. Father and son who do. Buds for life, not voodoo. About rap, I have no clue. Oh well. Ronnie's the dad, that's me. Beckett's the son, he. Enjoying life together.
can't get any better. Oh yeah, Builder Buds YouTube. This is how we do. Builder Buds YouTube.
Now enjoy the song.